Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today on Saturday, September the 10th, 2022. We have here in this newspaper an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So, total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all today on Saturday. No. Need to left the half of them for tomorrow. Because tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So, today 4 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the binary, and a tectonic with 4 stars. But first, let me start with this 3 stars Sudoku number 5153. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you need more time for solving that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, that's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright, we have here 2 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 1, 2, 3 fives, 1, 2, 3, 4 fives. Alright. 1, 2, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 8s, and 4 9s. So the 1, the 5, and the 9s are in majority. Alright. Okay. Can I start with the 1? Well, will be difficult. The 1. How about the 5 then? 5. 5 will be also, well, only one digit. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in the second column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here 5 in that column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. I need more information. Okay. How about the 9 then? Yeah, the 9 in this column. Third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, and only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column, so the column between, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 9. Okay. Can I continue with the 5? Yes. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So last column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. Middle row. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Can I continue with the 1 then? No, don't think so. Don't think so. Yeah, I need to wait. Other digit then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 3. We have a 6 and a 3 in this first column, so no 6 and a 3 in this box. The 6 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, so 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. Okay, 2 missing numbers in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have an 8 in the third column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay, then 3 in the first column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the third row, so this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Alright, 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then, how about the number? The number, let me see, 666. Yeah, which number can I pick? Come on. Yeah. 6. Well, Difficult choice. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Then how about this 1 2 1 2 4? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4, and look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, 8, 6, and 7, 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the first row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, last column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in that row, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 1. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. 4 ain't missing the 2. Yeah, the 2 in this row, the 2 in that row. So the row B3 in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the last column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column X, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the first row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 2. Okay. Then. How about? 4A. We need a 6 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column, last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, and look, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 4 and 8 are left. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet, but need to wait. We don't need to wait. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Yeah. How about 4 and 7? Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, sorry, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there, here or there. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square. I believe the 8 also. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the last column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 here. In the middle row, so 1 box left should be the 4. Yeah, we have 8 here, so I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and 8. So this box can be 8 and more, this box should be a 4, and that box should be an 8. Now we have 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and 8. We have an 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 3 puzzles in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.